Hello and welcome to Career Launcher. With only 37 days to go to CAT 2021, as a part of our daily practice exercises and questions that we are releasing from questions from our mocks on YouTube, in this particular video, I bring to you Jijo, who will take you through his method of solving 3 questions of para summary from Countdown CAT 2.
This was sort of an easy one to look at. So let's have a look at this. As the phase of globalization develops. So when you read these passages, you just want to understand what the controlling idea is, and then read the answer choice. And I'm sure that some of the answer choice would likely say, ditch me. And then if one answer choice say, pick me, pick it up. Otherwise, look to eliminate the answer choice as well. As the phase of globalization develop, it undoubtedly will leave some countries and some communities behind. A place that lacks strong internet connections or technology adept labor force has little likelihood of economic success. So it is no wonder that you had politicians debating infrastructure spend as much time talking about improved broadband service as better highways. With nothing beyond a smartphone at hand, a resident of any country can take in religious ideas, songs in little spoken language, images, everyday life. So the point is that the lack of strong internet connections and technology is needed. So you say that you look at this particular sentence in the era of globalization, which makes sense. Internet connectivity and tech-enabled workforce will be crucial factors impacting the development of a country, which is okay. Let's look at number 1. Globalization focusing on innovative technology advancement will be an inevitable truth that will supersede traditional framework. What is this? Traditional framework, infrastructure. Author has not made this point. Author is merely saying that those two things are important. An alternative form of globalization lies ahead. What different form of globalization? Based on the services more than on goods. What is all this? Thanks to global 0%. Ladies and gentlemen, nobody fell for this. The question center will be feeling so bad. I made one option. Nobody marked. Nobody. Not even a single person marked this. I think this was a wasted option, I must say. Wasted option. That not even a single person fell for it. 4. Let's look at this. Okay, there are some confusion that people had between option number 2 and option number 3. That seems to be the case, and some people had confusion. So this was a problematic paragraph summary question. The human world is an entirely new realm created by all means we have of joining attention and consciousness. Human world is a new realm created by all means we are joining attention and consciousness. Okay, it is unknown to nature, though it creates a mirror of which nature is reflected. Oh. The public space in which we encounter become intelligible to and hence plan individually and collectively for ourselves, negotiating a balance between individual and collective interest is created out of millennia of complex pooled shared experience. The public realm is one which social facts are potent as influence on living as force of nature. I'm sure after reading this, you've already gone, what is going on? What is going on? What is this passage? What is it saying? Basically, what you can try and understand with this passage is human world is a new realm. By all means, created by all means, we have joining attention and consciousness. Our world is created by consciousness and attention. Okay. It is unknown to nature. Our world. This is our world. Let's look at nature. This is bad nature. This is our world is based on our consciousness. It is unknown to nature, though it creates a mirror in which the nature is reflected. The public space in which we encounter become intelligible to and hence plan individual collectively for ourselves, negotiate a balance between individual and collective interests is creating out of complex plus shared experience. All the shared experience is creating the thing here. The public lives on which social factors are potential influence and force of nature. So nature is independent. All our consciousness is our consciousness is an outcome, or our world is an outcome, or the public realm is an outcome of the common and individual interests woven together out of shared experience. This one. Or wherever manifest in the public realm is a result of aligned individual and common interests and is woven out of centuries of shared experience. Millennia, it's okay. Millennia, centuries. That is that. The forces of nature and social facts exert heavy influence on human beings, undermining our thought, undermining, attacking. What is this? Author has never given gali and all here. The human world reflects nature both in attention and consciousness, but nature does not show any sign of acknowledging the existence of human beings. What? That's why. Nature is like, hello, we are here. Nature. Nature. Nature is, what is for? Ditch me. Ditch me, undermining. To nature, human world is insignificant. Ditch me. I think the way in which you could have answered this question is probably not by selecting or picking me. I can ditch insignificant, undermining, any sign of acknowledging. Ditch. So whatever is left is 3. Done. This one was okay, 80%. 80% fine. Reaction formation is a defense mechanism in which person unconsciously replaces an unwanted or an anxiety-prone impulse with an opposite, often expressed in an exaggerated showy way. We have reaction formation. We unconsciously replace unwanted things. We don't think about VRC is score is low, VR score is low. We have got reaction. Look, we are doing really well. Reaction formation is a way for an ego to defend itself from any thought or feeling that individual find unacceptable due to personal, familial, community, or societal standard. While this may protect the individual self-esteem at the moment, this can become problematic over time. Okay, that is a problem that author is saying, that this may be fine, this can become problematic over time. It suppresses one's authentic self, which harms one's well-being. Unfortunately, reaction formation can be especially challenged to recognize in everyday life. It can be a problem. You'll find it difficult to recognize it. So it may be a problem. So this is fine. Reaction formation is a defense mechanism against unpleasant impulses that protect one's self-esteem momentarily, but it can cause damage in the long run. This makes a lot of sense, right? The reaction formation is basically just manifestation of inflated ego that wards off unwanted anxiety provoking impulse that could harm one's well-being. Just a manifestation. What is the word just? Projection of one's ego could be necessitated by the need to defend one's societal value when the values are likely undermined by foreign. What is all this? Where is this coming from? Reaction formation is a subconscious defense mechanism that, though problematic, if untreated, does play a crucial role. This is giving a positive skin to the story. Even though it is problematic, it is good. No, even though it is momentarily good, it is actually bad. That's a focus. So this is writing in the ulta way, answer choice in this case is 2. So now in this particular question, I think that this was fine. This was, I think if you are smart enough to cut this one, you could have got this one right. If your ditch me strategy was in place, this one was easy, 5. Whatever be the challenge at the end of the day, please do understand your marks are going to come from questions. You focus on the questions and leave a question. Don't have any pre-designed feeling towards any question. I'm good in parallelism, weak in paradigm, weak in inference-based question, weak in philosophy passages. Leave all that. What matters is what you see on the screen, on the day, on the question. Don't have any prejudice. Read a passage in which space you to understand. Look at the question. If you can answer. If answer choice gives a reasonable feeling that that's an answer choice, mark it. Otherwise, if it's confusing, move it and go to VA and give your best to answer each of this question. Don't have any feeling attached to anything and no reaction formation as well. Ladies and gentlemen, goodbye. And I'll see you in the next Countdown Cat. Bye-bye.